So hello you guys, we are back again to our channel. If you are new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. So everyone know we do binary trading in Olam Trade, and Olam Trade is a very best option, I told you. So I choose, that's why I told you. Anyway, it's your choice. You choose any platform like binary options, etc. So first we open Olam Trade. Okay, here we go. Your USD 82 percentage. Okay, let's check. Okay, we have Euro USD, Europe optimized index, quicker, Hotcat, etc. More pairs. First we choose your USD. First we analyze chart, then second we trade. Okay, here we go first. Oh no, we do $2,000, but let's see. We do. Okay, we do $500 again. So here we go. Let's see. We do wrong trade. Again we do for sell. Here we go for $1,000. Oh no. Okay, here we go again for $1,000. Let's see, only 20 seconds, our $2,000 are in loss. Okay, let's see what happened there. First we analyze chart, then second we trade, because that's a very big risk, bro. So okay, we have only 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Oh, okay, not risk, not loss, but not profit, zero earning. Okay, here we go again for 10 seconds, $500 trade. Let's see. Okay, 2 1. Okay, $500 profit. Let's see again, $820 profit for 10 seconds. Wait. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go first again, $1,000 buy. Okay, market gone downward. Let's see. So here we guys come back again. We do fastly $1,000 buy, because market gone downward trend, and I hope market gonna again upward trend. So let's see again, $1,000 buy. Let's see, let's see. That's the last trade. Okay, here we go in profit, but let's see, we have 40 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Oh no, market gone downward, but let's see what happened exist. Please, please, please come back again. Come back. Oh no. So that's the trading, guys. Today we are back again in next video. So here we go again for, and if you like my strategy, so please follow me and also comment me for your support. See you guys soon. Bye bye.